Hello everyone, we are primary 3 students from NIEC International School. Now we are going to do ICT project about setting up a desktop computer.
Hello everyone, I am Dole from primary 3 Chame. Today I'm going to present about CPU, Central Processing Unit. This is DVI, Digital Visual Interface. This is VGA, Video Graphic Array. This is USB 3.0. This is USB 2.0. USB 3.0, the color inside the plug is blue, and USB 2.0, the color inside the plug is gray. This is VGA output to connect the monitor and the CPU.
Hello everyone, my name is Zinza. I am from primary 3 Awesome. Today I will be presenting about the mouse. The mouse is one of the communication device between the user and the computer. A mouse is an input device. There are left click is gray, so we have to join to the gray USB port right here, and you have to check this arrow have to be to the right of this, and if you can't, you can check this straight line which is gray color, or it might be black. We can just do the opposite of this like this. Thank you.
Now I'm going to show you how to connect the keyboard to the CPU. So as you see, the plug of the keyboard is USB 2.0. So we have to connect it to the USB 2.0. Before you connect it, the arrow key must be on the right side. Thank you for listening.
Hello everyone, my name is Imola. I'm from primary 3 Brilliant. Today I would like to explain about monitor. In 1897, Carl Ferdinand Braun invented the first computer monitor. Monitor is one of the most important part of a computer system. A computer monitor is an electronic device that shows pictures for computers. All computer monitors have at least two cables, a power cable and a data cable. Types of computer monitors are CRT cathode ray tube, LCD liquid crystal display, LED light emitting diodes. Monitor is an output device. Monitor is also called a visual display unit, VDU. Now we are gonna show how to connect monitor and CPU. This is VGA input and this is VGA output. This is VGA cable. VGA is also called video graphic array. If we want to put in, we have to turn to the right, and if we want to turn up, we have to turn to the left.
Hello everyone, my name is Buderikin. I'm from primary 3 Diligent. Today, I would like to be sharing about a device that can protect your computer when a problem happens. So, the device is called UPS, which full form is called an interactive power supply. When electricity cut off, we can use this device to still work on your computer. For example, you write stories, reports, files, essays, paragraphs, or etc. Electricity went off, then your computer desktop was still on. Because of UPS, we can still work on our work.
Hello everyone, my name is Lucia. I'm from primary 3 Brilliant. Today I'm also going to present about the UPS. The UPS
stands for uninterruptible power supply. John J. Henley invented the first UPS. A UPS is a special device. It can protect our computers from power problems. Inside the UPS, there is a special battery. The battery keeps the computer running during a power outage. Firstly, to connect the UPS to the computer, we have to connect the power cable of the UPS to a power switch. The battery inside the UPS needs to be charged before it is used. Then we need to connect the CPU and monitor to the UPS. After that, we can finally switch on the UPS and the UPS is ready to be used. With the UPS, we can save our school projects, writings, drawings, etc. during a power outage without losing any important information. So always remember to use a UPS for your computer. The UPS looks like a small box with a power cord and 2 outlets. This power cord and 2 outlets are at the back of it. This power cord is plugged into a power switch so that the battery inside the UPS will charge automatically when the power is on. The 2 outlets are connected to the CPU and the monitor. Now we'll start showing how to connect the CPU and UPS and the monitor and UPS. That is all about our presentation. Thank you for paying attention and listening.